Hi, I'm Robert Johnson, and today we're going to talk about the theory of push and pull customer service. There really are two methods, actually there's really kind of three we'll talk about, of providing customer service. The push model, the pull model, and a hybrid of the two models. The push model really provides information to the customers as they're asking for it, or actually, well, before they actually ask for it. So the push model really is things like manuals and help documentation, and it's allowing you to be proactive to your customers before they're asking for information to present that to them. In a lot of ways, it's really when the customer is asking for that information that gets to them at the right time. Some companies now are using big data and actually providing proactive interaction with their customer. So they're looking at what customers are asking and how they're interacting with your company, and they're providing that information to them before they even ask for it. It's kind of a good news, bad news thing. The good news is certainly it gets the data to the customers when they need it, but the bad news is customers can see that as a very intrusive interaction, and they see like you're almost spying on them, which is certainly never a good thing to have a customer think you're doing. The pull theory of customer service is when a customer initiates the interaction with you via a phone call or an email or other method you may have. So it really depends on the customer starting that interaction. And the downside is it can be very inefficient. It really is one customer dealing with one interaction, or one agent dealing with one customer interaction. And while it's great for the customers, it is very inefficient for your staff. So the model that most people are using is really not one or the other, but a hybrid model that really has both the push and pull interactions put together. And several of these things are actually unique to the hybrid model. Things like knowledge bases and frequently asked questions, where you can put that information together where the customer is asking for that information from you, so starting a pull interaction, but you're pushing specific content to them. Another thing that many companies are doing is something called deflection, where a customer may start an interaction with you, but use technology to present them with the answer that they're looking for before they actually get to a real live human agent. So again, a little bit of a hybrid interaction. Another thing that companies are doing is using community forums to allow customers actually to talk to each other, which is it's a win-win. It allows a customer to have a great and quick interaction to solve their problem, but also doesn't actually require any of your staff's time because other customers are supporting and providing answers to your customers. The key, though, in determining which one of these is best is really looking at a balance. I don't think many companies can have either just pull or pull. Most companies really have to have a good balance between the two, or even the three models when you look at hybrid, to provide customer service to their customers.